Welcome to the Law Offices of Mary Kennedy. Today we are going to talk an important topic about H1B, traveling out of country based on H1B or advance parole. So when we look into it, some of you, we always say that to maintain your non-immigrant status till you get approved of your immigrant status, which means as long as possible, maintain your H1B status. If it's the same employer, you're being filed for the 485. As we all know, the advance parole comes based on your pending adjustment of status criteria. It can be family-based or employment-based. I'm not getting detail into that. However, keep in mind when you apply for an advance parole, you cannot leave the country. You leave the country, then it's abandonment of the pending petition that has been pending application that has been pending. So coming back to that, if I have H1B and then I have an advance parole approved, so what should I prefer? Both has its own advantages. The advance parole is easier because you don't have to wait for a visa appointment, and nowadays with the consulates and the home country requirements of the visa stamping, you have to wait months plan for your travel, whereas if you have an advance parole, it's easy as such. You can travel out of country on the advance parole and then come back into the country. There is a possibility when you travel back on the advance parole, you will be taken to the secondary inspection because the officer wants to get clarified if your 485 is pending. Based on that, you had been approved of the advance parole, but that's as simple as such. This is not like the secondary inspection where the officer will make you sit for hours. That's completely different. This is just to verify that you are traveling on the advance parole, and it's not like mandatory. Everybody has to go through that. It's sometimes the officer is very aware of it. As soon as you show the approved AP, and then you are allowed to come out of country. That's as simple as such. However, when it comes to the H1B, as we spoke about, you have to wait for the visa stamping and then get to your approval. There is a little misunderstanding whether if you travel on the H1B and then come on the advance parole, then it means that you are abandoning your H1B status. That's not correct. Still, you can come back on the same employer, join your employer on the H1B and continue your employment. So it's as simple as such, but some limited employers are not encouraging the advance parole travel. They say they are very strict to have you come back on the H1B visa. That's a subjective question. You have to talk to your employer, talk to your immigration attorney and decide about it. But otherwise, I always favor traveling on the advance parole, keeping in mind this is easier way to get your out of country and then come back on that. Thank you for watching, and any questions, please let us know and we are there to help you out.